hide your key, hide your wallet, and don't click on shit, because they're hacking everybody up in here.
What's up, y'all? JP here, the smartest, not exactly influencer in the entire crypto business. This video, I'm going to reiterate to all you smart people that you're not fucking idiots, sheep, falling for this whole bear market bullshit. It's horse shit. Shame on you fucking influencers for pushing the issue and pushing the issue and pushing the issue. We're going to go over even some conspiracy theories that I've seen videos of. I do love a good fucking conspiracy theory, but I think it's all fucking bullshit. So stick around. I'm going to go over how you still make money during a so-called bear market. First things first, the reason I'm even making this video is because when I go to click on any kind of crypto, the entire YouTube feed is filled with asshole influencers talking about bear market, bear market, bear market, bear market, bear market. Shut the fuck up. How about that? Here, listen to my fucking dude, fucking Morgan Freeman here.
I don't want a Black History Month. Black history is American history.
How are we going to get rid of racism?
Stop talking about it.
Same thing for your fucking bear fucking markets. Stop fucking talking about it. You're scaring the shit out of people. All you supposed influencers are just fucking creating FUD right now. More people are selling. Well, the pussies are fucking selling, but the real fucking people like me are not fucking selling. The badass people that watch these videos are not fucking selling. This dude, the block is hot. He's the conspiracy guy. So don't click this video off if you're dissatisfied with this guy's opinions. It's not my opinion. I just came across it and said, what the fuck is going on? So I'm going to cut down a couple clips. This is The Block is Hot.
Now, there's one more thing that I want to bring up here. This is actually something that's really interesting. The U.S. government basically sued XRP. XRP literally got delisted everywhere. XRP is going to win this win, and once they win, this is going to be a huge catalyst for the crypto market as a whole, because then that would bring regulatory clarity in the United States. I think that everything is in cahoots. I think that they all know what's going to happen. I think it's really weird that people are buying XRP in the billions when XRP is going down randomly. Now, what's really blowing my mind here is that this case was supposed to be settled in year 4, quarter 4, which was last quarter of last year. Now, what was supposed to happen in year 4, quarter 4? Well, historically, we were supposed to go absolutely crazy and make a ton of money. Well, that didn't happen. We actually went down. It was the opposite of what was supposed to happen. And I think what happened is all the big shots and all the big money were like, whoa, hold up. Too many retail people know about this year 4, quarter 4. We're going to change the script and absolutely destroy everybody and bring this down. So what happened? XRP's case got delayed. And then it got delayed to January. And then it got delayed to February. And now it just got delayed again several more months. What's so interesting about this, guys? Why is it getting delayed? Because the SEC and XRP have to agree on these delays. Why would XRP continue to delay things when they aren't making as much money because they're delisted? Why wouldn't they settle already and do the case already when they are going to win this case and get relisted and make a ton of money? Why did XRP push it away from quarter 4, year 4? Like, call me crazy, but I think they know exactly what was going to happen. I think all of these big shots and all these billionaires and all these institutions that want our crypto, that want retail investors' crypto, I think they knew that year 4, quarter 4 wasn't going to happen. And they delayed XRP. And I think the next 2 quarters, quarter 1 and quarter 2, all of these retail investors are going to lose their faith and they're going to get out of crypto, and it's going to be like a crypto winter. And while this is happening, all the big shots and institutions are going to be buying it up. And then I think what's going to happen is XRP is going to win their case and everything's going to go crazy. And instead of year 4, quarter 4, where we were supposed to go crazy, I think quarter 3 and quarter 4 of year 2022 is when this is going to happen. Because I think they know stuff that we don't. The fact that they're delaying things more makes me think that they know that we're not going to be in a great market position in the next month or next 2 months or next 3 months. And I think that they're waiting for the right opportunity to announce that, because like I said, this would be the biggest catalyst of all crypto. This would be the biggest thing ever. Them getting relisted and there being regulatory clarity in the US would just be the most bullish thing ever.
So basically what he's saying is the XRP SEC lawsuit could have affected the bear market, but it doesn't make any sense, because basically what he's saying is maybe they tried to manipulate the market because they knew there was going to be a bear market. How would they know there's going to be a bear market if they're the ones that caused it? It's like, who's on first? No, who's on second? No, wait. You just said they knew there was going to be a bear market, but also they created the bear market. So none of that makes any sense. Little fun fact. When I was in college studying the market, I asked my professor, because I'm a little fucking ADD, why did they call them bears and bulls? You'd think a fucking bear would kick the fuck out of a bull. So you'd think the bear market would be the stronger market. Well, bull's a fucking cow. Fucking bear would wreck a bull. I think so. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm pretty sure a bear would kick the shit out of a bull. Believe it or not, he told me the reason they were named the bear in the bull market in the first place were because of the way they fought. Bears strike down, and bulls strike up. Still, nonetheless, I still think a bear would kick the fuck out of a bull. So, fun fact, that's why bear market, bear striking down, bull market striking up. It's an easy way to remember it anyways. We all expected Q4 to be pretty profitable, and apparently it wasn't. In a nutshell, I'd be real skeptical on putting my money into any kind of gaming crypto right now. Platforms is where I'd be putting my money into. You might want to put your money into Cardano, because Cardano eventually will spike again. Velas Chain, I think, is pretty safe to put your money into. These Astro Swap projects, stuff like that, I wouldn't be afraid of them. Some metaverse stuff I wouldn't be afraid of. Cetify, fuck, man, you can't lose on Cetify. Sandbox, can't lose on Sandbox. I still like Lossless. I think Lossless is cool. That's that. I mean, I wouldn't be afraid. You don't fucking lose until you sell. If the product is different and awesome and good, you're a fucking fool to be selling because other people are scared. Fucking, yeah, you're a bunch of fucking pussies. Don't be fucking pussies. You know I'm never going to beg you for the likes and the subscriptions and this, that. I hate that shit. A couple videos I watched earlier today, I had to fucking scroll 3 minutes in. 3 minutes, bro? 3 fucking minutes of worth of fucking begging? What the fuck? I click off them. I don't even know what your videos are about. Alright, I'm digressing. If you guys want to fucking like, subscribe, all that shit, you know what to do. You're not fucking idiots. You've been on YouTube before. If you want more of my content, click here, or maybe it's here. It's either here or here. Fucking, maybe I'll put 2 up. Click those fuckers. Alright, fuck it. I'm out.